right. Well, yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master on my personal Instagram. And still, you can follow Hair Zipper on Instagram. Yes, for more details and pictures for all those hairstyles that you need to learn. And that's why still you can come and like and follow my Instagram page, the Maurice the Crochet Master, so that we can keep in touch for more chats. So today we're going to see something that is very different, and I always like you to give me your attention, guys, because there's some things that you would need to hear what I'm saying than seeing what I'm doing, because you won't understand. So those people who have been asking me how I should start doing for them the particular cornrows for the particular crochet. So those are the things that I would like to look at. That sometimes when we are doing crochets, I realize there's something that is making us do mistakes, and why crochets break our hair is just because we choose the bad cornrows on a wrong crochet. So it's very good to first know the crochet that you're going to do, and then you make a cornrow for it. As I'd like to explain here, in that sometimes we find people, you're going to be crocheting a crochet that is very big, let's say a big twist, and it's going to be crocheted, and then you find someone is doing small cornrows. So what do you think? That means when you do small cornrow on a big crochet, it is going to lead to the breakage of the hairline. Yes, and that's why people keep complaining that crochet breaks hair. But me, I believe that all hairstyles can break hair, but as long as you plait them in a right way, and you make sure that you think a lot before doing that. So as you can see, I told you I told you that inside cornrows is better than these other cornrows. Why? It's just because the hair grows from inside. You can try to see how she's trying to make her inside cornrows, and that's how I always teach all my students that they should focus on doing the inside cornrows, just because I know when it comes to crochet, we always need to make we always need to do that with a foundation that is very firm. So that's why I would advise you guys, at least whenever you're seeing what I'm doing or what we always do, try to do a practice, because I always tell you that inside cornrow is very nice for the crochet, since it lasts longer. So those are the things that you'd like to know about. And please, you should make a point by clicking on that red button so that you can subscribe to this channel, because we always do a lot of videos every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday of different types of hairstyles. So I think it will be a good thing for you to follow this channel. So let's get it on. Today we're going to do the shan curl. This is somehow a bit different from the junkie curl, the one that you've been seeing in my previous video. And I always hear people asking me the hair piece that I always use. Sometimes we just first need to confirm with these people that we always get hair from, like maybe if it's okay with them to show the hair materials, because sometimes other people, they don't like it. But I would like to say that for now I'm using the Afro Kinky. Yes, I'm using the Afro Kinky for hot water. So if you also have the Afro Kinky of hot water, you can still have this new look. So let's try to crochet here. I told you it's going to be the shan curl, and the shan curl it is different from the junkie curl, just because If you've been following the previous videos of the junkie curl, you're going to try to see that the plating here is different, that this one we try to twist it so it comes from the shank twist. I think I already posted the video for the shank twist. So here we're going to do something that is very different to make it have curls. Yes, so that is what we're going to be doing. And the twisting here, guys, I would like you to be very careful when you're trying to twist right here, that you twist as you twist it like you don't make it very tight, because remember we already done our crochet our cornrows, so there's nothing that will make us make it tight, because there's nothing that is inside. Like, let's say I'm doing the twist with the hair, that the hair is inside my kinky. No way, I'm just plating the kinky only. So even if you just twist it without making it hard, make it a bit softer, so that your curls are going to be flexible and are going to be very soft. So this is what we are trying to do, and please, I'd like you to follow me up as we're doing this. So shout out to everyone who is watching me right now. If you know United States of America, those ones in Abu Dhabi, London, yes, Germany, those ones in China, France, Trinidad, and I'd like to shout out to friends in Nigeria, Kenya, Nairobi. Oh, thank you so much. And Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, thank you so much for watching me and for keeping on subscribing. And I welcome all these return subscribers. Like, thank you, thank you so much for being on my channel. So this is how we are doing the shank twist. Yes, remember I'm using the Afro Kinky. I'm using the Afro Kinky for the hot water. So if you have that, you can still achieve this. Those ones who will be having the Mali Kinky, yes, but as long as it is hot water, yes, it can do this. So when we do that, I want you to look at me very careful, because we're going to other steps which are very sensitive. So let's start palm rodding, and this one I always tell you that this is very simple. You all guys can do it, but though you do it according to the art that you'll be having, because it's not just a matter of doing the curls. No, you just have to make sure that you make lines for your thing. So you can see how my sister is doing it, and I'm trying to show you, like, those people that I trust, that I have been training for some time, and now they can do something that is very good. Yes, so you can see how she's trying to do it, but in the way that it is well arranged. You make sure that you arrange them very nicely so that your curls can look very perfect and nice. Yes, because that is what that gives you the good results when you do that. And please, as I'm telling you, it's not just a matter of palm rodding. You just have to be very you just have to be with that art when you're doing that. And please, whenever you're doing it, make sure that you follow the steps, you follow the lines. I know somebody's going to ask me, when you're palm rodding, how many are you going to hold, how many are you supposed to hold? But for this one, even if I don't show you guys, because it just depends, you hold those ones that you see are enough for the palm rod. And now you can see the curls are done after our hot water. Just bring the hot water and you burn them, and this is how the curls come out. So you can see how it looks, and I like it so much since it is very soft and lovely. I also like it so much. So for now, let me sign out, and I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.